Gu manga. Start. Kkakdoogi. Cut the radish into bite-sized pieces about 1 centimeter thick. Mix 2 spoons of salt with the radish, put salt, Kkakddoogi, and marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix the marinated radish again and marinate for 30 minutes. Soak the marinated radish in water for 10 minutes to reduce the salty taste. Let's make the seasoning. Put Ajinomoto. Put sugar. Put chili powder. Put garlic. Put shrimp sauce. Put fish sauce. Put corn syrup. Mix, mix, mix. Mix the drained radish and the seasoning well. Sprinkle some green onions to make it look nice. It's delicious even if you eat it now, but it's even more delicious if you keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Kimchi tastes better the longer it's aged. Gu manga.